Good morning everyone, and this time let us unbox a parcel, and this is coming from Sistuna Garden. So titingnan natin ang iilan sa mga orchids na mine ko sa kanilang live selling. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will always be updated. Okay, so this time, unbox natin. Okay. This one. So this is the way, na balot sila ng mga flowers, Nilalagyan nila ng newspaper kasi ito nakakatulong para hindi malanta yung orchids while in transit. So nilalagyan din nila ng mga shredded bond paper. So I told Sir Neil and Ma'am Honey to indicate an ID dito sa mga orchids na aking namay sa kanila. Okay. So, ito ay mga rare orchids pero hindi ganun kamahalan yung price. Okay, 1, 2, napaka-healthy nilang lahat. 3, 4. Okay, ito merong ID. 4. This is Sonida. Okay. 4, 5. Meron siyang mga ID. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ito yung waling-waling, meron siyang dalawa. Okay. So this is a pure waling-waling, napakahaba po ng kanyang mga ugat. Okay, so dahil ganito ang itsura, naibigay lang nila ito sa akin ng hindi ganun kamahal, So mabait talaga ang Sistuna Garden. Okay. Yan. At saka ito yung discolor na Dendrobium. Okay. Meron siyang mga ID kasi hindi not clear. And then this one. Okay. So nung napakaganda nito, this is Banda. Sabi nila ito ay Banda Kalayan, Banda Kalayan collection, This is a collector's item. Nilagyan nila ng ID collectors. However, tingnan nyo, sa kawayan lang nila ito nilagay. And then, meron itong bulak dati kaso nga lang hindi na nag-survive. Pero, this is Banda Kalihi. Banda Kalihi. And, sana, maparami natin ito sa garden. Sabi nga ni Sir Neil, o ni Ma'am Honey na pag maparami natin ito sa garden ko na naman siya mag-live selling. Okay, so ito yung mga na-mine ko, Banda Kalihi, ito yung discolor na orchid, and then ito yung Banda Sanderiana or waling-waling, and then ito yung mga banda na okay, ito ay free, merong free. Okay, so itatanim natin ito sa garden, at least meron tayong mga unique na colors doon kasi yung mga banda ko doon, seldom ko lang sila malaman na yung kanilang flowers kasi nakabundle sila sa live selling. So ito, meron talaga siyang ID and identify talaga yung kanyang mga flowers. So ito po lahat yung nabili ko from Sistuna Farm. Another parcel that we are going to unbox is coming from Rowell's Garden. This is from Rowell's Garden. Okay. Na natin kasi dapat kahapon pa ito na ihatid, pero masyadong maulan kaya inihabol nila ito kanina. Dalaw birds lang ito. Okay, so this is the first one. This is Ibanda Sanderiana, no? So if you try to look at it, no, ang mukha talaga niya, no, the structure is waling-waling. And then kung titingnan natin ang dahon, no, medyo na nanlupay-pay siya, pero we could be able to manage this na anong tawag dito, no, we could be able to revive this. And then, okay, so the face itself is talagang totoo siya na waling-waling. Kaya, no, dahon. And then, ang kanyang structure ay waling-waling talaga. Okay. So, second, meron tayo ditong, na ito, this is, okay, no, napaka-healthy na Dendrobium. Okay, this one. Okay. Napaka-healthy. Okay. Yan po. This is only 250. And then this is a freebie. Okay, so ang kanilang freebie ay isa ring Dendrobium. Okay. So this is from Rowell's Garden. Dendrobium freebie. This is also, no, okay, no, napaka-healthy. Napaka-healthy niya. And then this is the waling-waling. Okay, so this is an additional collection na ilalagay natin sa Il Paraiso on Sunday. Maraming salamat, Honey and Sir Neil. Thank you so much for this. And of course, no, to my YouTube community, thank you so much for always watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless everyone and maraming salamat sa lahat.